Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Simply Static converts a WordPress site into a static HTML export quickly. This process creates plain HTML, CSS, and JS files for hosting. It preserves links, media, and basic permalinks for most themes. Choose an export method that matches your workflow and hosting constraints. Use local directory for immediate file access or zip archive for easy distribution. Exports avoid PHP and database calls and reduce server CPU usage significantly. Static exports improve. Install Simply Static from the WordPress plugin directory and activate it. Open the plugin settings to set a destination URL and file options. Configure URL replacements to rewrite links to absolute or relative addresses. Include file types such as HTML, CSS, JS in the Include Patterns list. Choose local directory when exporting up to 500 MB or zip archive for convenient downloads. Adjust the crawl depth and exclude rules to prevent exporting staging or admin paths. Upload exported files via FTP or sync to a static host like Netlify. Point your DNS to the static host or serve files from any CDN for speed. Test interactive features such as forms and search before you decommission WordPress. Replace dynamic features with third-party tools or client-side JavaScript when necessary. If some pages return 404, increase crawl depth and review exclude rules in settings. Rerun exports after content updates and archive old exports to conserve storage space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.